Today we're doing Philly cheesesteak. That's all you'll need. Any piece of beef will do. This is a top round, I believe. Simple seasoning, we're gonna keep it OG. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, black pepper, salt. Make a little mixture. Go ahead and do that first. Basically just a little equal parts, a little salt, a little more. A little bit of garlic powder in there. Do just a little bit of onion powder. And we'll do some little black pepper. Alright, just give that a good old mixture. And this is all the seasonings we're going to be using today. It's very simple. So I put mine in the freezer for a little bit because it's easier to slice it really thin if it is a little bit frozen. So that's what I have done. So just bear with me here. We're gonna just do this nice and thin, little strips. Now let's do our onion. Alright, now the onions, you want to slice them basically as thin as you can do them. Alright. Guys, that's basically it for a traditional Philly cheesesteak. It's literally meat, onions, cheese, and good bread, which we're stuck with this because we live in Tennessee. So I like a good old buttered bread. So go ahead and nut you some good old butter, unsalted butter. Just kind of flail around here. It's a little twisty. Get both sides up real nice. Boom. Alright, now we'll take our veggies. A little bit of butter. You can also use oil. I got butter right here, so. All your stuff out there, mixing your peppers. Don't forget about your bread, give it a little flip before it burns. Our seasonings on here, our blend that we made earlier. Nice little mix up. Back over here, put our meat on. gonna let that just cook on top of the veggies. Let those veggies kind of steam up into the meat. Take your bunnies off. Flip. Cut these veggies up. I like mine to be in smaller pieces, so I'm doing a chop. Being pretty aggressive with it. I don't like the big long pieces in mine. I don't care what you like. Do it how you want to do it. Alright. Last thing left, just cheese it up. I also make this sauce that happens to be really tasty, so I'm going to just put a little bit of this on there.
Yeah, cheese is it.
This is white American cheese today. You can do cheese whiz if that's what you're into. Whatever cheese you want. White American is good, melty, nice flavor. Open these babies up. Stop breaking them if you can. Start scooping them off. Looks pretty good.
But that is super tasty.
Alright, very irritating. Wow. Best Philly I ever had.
You killed it.
Great success.
Do it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media down below.